Let us look after the concept working capital management. Management is nothing but managing things in a proper way. We all know that the management is looking or managing the things in a proper way. Now, what is this working capital? If we take an example, let's see through help of example. A simple example if I give. The parents usually give a pocket money, right? Now I may ask why you need a pocket money. What is the reason you need a pocket money? ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು ಅರ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ವಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್, ನಮಗೆ ಸಹ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್, ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ನೀಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಕೆಟ್ ಮನಿ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್. ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್, ನಮಗೆ ಸಹ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಉಂಟಂತ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೇಷನರೀಸ್, ಪೆನ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಯು ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಅ ಡೈಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್, ರಿಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಾ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ which will incur for you on your day-to-day expenses or routine expenses. Now, the amount of the pocket money, for example, 5,000 or any amount which is given as a pocket money for you, that amount you will spend on your day-to-day routine or day-to-day expenses. So this 5,000 is considered in a financial term as a working capital management. That is your capital. You are spending it on your day-to-day expenses. So this is just an example. Looking in terms of a business or in terms of organization. So organization way alli nodudadre what it is. The modern organization incurs a huge amount of expenses. So ella organization, when they have to run their business or if they have to run their organization, they have to spend some of the basic expenses or the tradition like cost of material agirbodu, labor, raw material purchase ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ, they have to pay a cash, labor's charges and other usual overheads. Many new expenses may crop like recently, like telephone expenses ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬ್ರಾಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮೇಂಟೆನೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್. ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ಕರಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಡೇ ಟು ಡೇ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡೇ ಟು ಡೇ routine. So business is the day-to-day expenses which they are spending. The cash or the capital is called as working capital management. They are managing the capital to spend it on their day-to-day expenses. So formula we always use. Working capital we say as current asset minus current liability. We say that current asset minus current liability. What is this current asset now? Current asset are asset which are highly liquidate. Current asset ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? The highly liquidate which can be converted into cash. Cash ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು. Whenever the organization is in need of a cash, the current asset is an asset which have high liquidate or which can be converted into cash or cash equivalent within a period of 1 year. Within the financial year, the conversion of it is high liquidity which can be converted into cash. So working capital, proper meaning of working capital refers to that part of total capital which is used for carrying out routine or regular business operation. In other words, if it is an amount of funds used for financing the day-to-day operation. So business organization, even they have to spend on day-to-day expenses. So spending working capital is a capital which they have to spend on their day-to-day expenses. We usually say working capital is equal to current asset minus current liability. Current assets are asset which is highly liquidate or which can be converted into cash or cash equivalent within a period of 1 year. Current liabilities are companies' short-term financial obligations that are due within 1 year or within normal operation cycle. For examples like current liabilities includes account payable, short-term debts, dividends, and note payable, as well as income tax owed. So all these are the current liability. So working capital is equal to current asset minus current liability. So working capital is nothing but the day-to-day total capital which is used for the sake of carrying out the routine or regular business operation. Daily purpose or day-to-day operation ಏನು ಖರ್ಚಾಗ್ತದೆ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ಗೆ, that things or that capital is managed in a proper way, that is called as working capital management. In short, it is a capital with which the business is worked over. Next, let us